Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. I started this because, as you'll notice in my voice and in my hands, I have tremors. And makeup is for everybody, regardless if you have to do a couple tweaks to it, if you have some special conditions. You know, sometimes I feel more confident leaving the house if I feel good about myself, and that has a lot to do with makeup. We think makeup is for everybody, every gender, every skin tone, every income level, every ability, every disability. And the vision for the makeup community is to be a real community where we can talk with each other about makeup. So if you're a makeup pro or makeup maven and will let us pick your brain, please subscribe. If you're new to makeup and want to learn some new stuff, please subscribe. Or if you just like talking about makeup, please subscribe. So everybody works real hard for their money. I know that. And so I want to review things to see, is it worth your money or is it really not? Ulta started carrying two lip products from two different brands that are wallet friendly. They're also cruelty free, and I wanted to check them out and see, are they worth the money, are they not? So I'm going to start with the ones that I think are worth the money. Very wallet friendly, ColourPop. Now they've carried the liquid lipsticks for quite a while. Liquid lipsticks and I don't get along very well. So I was really excited to see other lip products come from ColourPop into Ulta. So I'm wearing one of the lipsticks right now. So the Cream Luxe lipsticks, they have 8 shades available. And this is the color that I am wearing right now, and it's called LA Lady. It's a great one for fall, actually. But look at these containers. They're so cute. They look way more expensive than they are. These are only $7 a piece. They're very moisturizing. They've got shea butter in them. Lots of antioxidants, different moisturizing butters. I really like it. Absolutely worth it. Now it is a cream lipstick, but I get a long wear out of it. So I was really excited to see that, because usually you don't get a lot of long wear unless it's a matte lipstick. I love that. And oh my gosh, $7. Can't go wrong with that. Highly, highly recommend. Another lipstick product, well actually it's 3 that I recommend. You get 3 of these for $12. They're called the Got a Minute Lippy Sticks, and you get these 3 shades for $12. Now these are matte, and you get Brink, which is a terracotta rose, very pretty. Let me put that up for you here. And then you get Daydream, which is a plummy brown. This one's a little dark for me, but 3 for $12, that's just fine with me. And then Gold Digger is a nice, this would look good on all skin tones, I think. A nice rose color right there. Very pretty, long-lasting matte colors. 3 for $12. Hey. And then these lip glosses, available in 8 shades right here. And this one is Champagne Mommy, M-A-M-I, $6. So I'm actually going to apply this. It has a brush applicator, and let's just put a little on there. It is very moisturizing, really nice. I love these. $6. Oh my gosh, get a couple shades, pop them in your purse. They're wonderful. I love these. So that's ColourPop. Great. They're a wallet friendly, great wallet friendly brand anyway. Now another wallet friendly brand, I really enjoy their eyeshadows. I'm wearing a highlighter from them right now, is Morphe. They did finally come out in May and certify that they are cruelty free, which is great. The not so great. I honestly, I'm not a fan. I guess if I were to pick one that I liked over the others would be the matte lipstick, but I'm still not a fan of that. The first thing is, when you go online to shop for them, the pictures of the shades do not match the lipstick. So I got Hey Sugar in the cream lipstick, and as you can see, it's a mauve rose color, and the picture shows it as copper. So, but anyway, this is the cream lipstick, $9. It's available in 5 shades. And they also have the matte lipstick, also available in 5 shades, which is also $9. I have the color Tempt, which is a neutral. If I were to, you know, recommend one, it would be the matte shade. But like I said, I mean, it doesn't apply in one stroke. Yeah, you kind of have to go over and over and over with it. I just, you know, and they're $9 versus $7 for the ColourPop. So I don't know. Now their lip gloss, the formula is amazing. They're $8 a piece. The formula is wonderful. The colors are wonderful. 10 different shades. But they put a paddle. It's a paddle applicator, not a brush, not a doe foot. So paddle applicators are not exactly, I don't know. It's hard to get around the curves of your top lip with a paddle applicator. It's cheap. Is what it is. And you can do inexpensive and nice. You know, the ColourPop lip gloss, $6 a piece, great formula. Brush. $8 a piece, paddle. I mean, I like the formula. It is moisturizing. They don't really give a real big description of them online. It's just like cream lipstick, matte lipstick, lip gloss. They also have Ultra Matte, also $9, but they're all different shades of red. Now, I noticed the descriptions did not match the picture, so I was not going to take a risk on red online. If they start carrying them in the Ulta store, then I'll probably take a look at them and review it and see if it's worth it, especially with Christmas coming up. I love wearing a red lip on the holidays. A matte red lipstick is beautiful all the time. But I was really disappointed. As much as I like Morphe's brushes and their eyeshadows, honestly, and I have given these like 2 weeks. That's not a first impression. I've been using them. I've been wearing them. And really trying to give you a good recommendation or not. And I hate to say, hey, this is not worth it, this is not working. And I'm not trashing Morphe. I really like Morphe. I'm happy with the highlighter that I purchased. I have, you know, 2 of the 35 shadow, you know, palettes. But they need to work on their lipstick game if they're really going to be competitive in there, because there are a lot of wallet-friendly brands in Ulta that are better and that are actually cheaper or less expensive, because that's cheap. A paddle applicator is cheap. So that about does it. I know that this is short and sweet. I'm probably going to match this video with another video that is also short and sweet. So bottom line, ColourPop lippies, yes. Morphe lippies, purchase at your own risk. I'm not, you know, I really tried to like it. I used them multiple times. The lip gloss formula is great, but that paddle, it's just really, yeah. So anyway, that does it, and I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, and please spread the word so we can grow the makeup community, because I would love to hear other people's opinions other than mine. So I will talk to you guys down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.